In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix the UCS icon missing in AutoCAD. If you've ever been working on a project and suddenly realized that your UCS icon is missing, don't worry. It's a common issue and can be resolved quickly with just a few steps. I'll guide you through the process using two simple methods, so you can choose the one that works best for you. Let's begin with the first method, which is using the menu bar. At the top of your AutoCAD interface, you'll see a variety of options laid out for easy access. Navigate to the View tab on this menu bar. Once you're there, move your cursor to hover over Display. This is where you'll find a series of display options that help you manage what you're currently seeing on your screen. Under Display, you'll notice an option labeled UCSICON. Go ahead and select it. Now within this section, you'll see a further option called On. By selecting this, your UCS icon should reappear on your screen. It's as simple as that. With these few clicks, you've restored a crucial navigational element in your workspace. If you're someone who prefers using the command line, don't worry, there's an alternative method tailored just for you. The command line is a powerful feature in AutoCAD that allows you direct control with typed commands. Start by clicking on the command line area at the bottom of your AutoCAD window. You'll want to type UCSICON. That's UCSICON. Once you've typed that in, press the Enter key on your keyboard. You're almost done. Now, type the simple command ON and hit Enter once more. Just like magic, your UCS icon should now reappear. Both methods are straightforward, allowing you to tackle this issue from different angles, depending on your preference for menu navigation or command line input. AutoCAD's interface is designed to cater to various user habits, so feel free to switch between these methods as necessary to enhance your workflow. Remember, the UCS icon is an essential tool in visualizing the orientation of your design, and keeping it in view can significantly augment your efficiency in handling complex drawings. Troubleshooting small issues like this not only helps maintain a smooth workflow, but also increases your proficiency and confidence with the software. I hope this guide has been helpful in getting your UCS icon back where it belongs. Thank you for watching. And be sure to check out our channel for more AutoCAD tips and solutions. Happy designing!